guys, so I am back with another video. Today we're just going to be purging my closet. This is something that just is long overdue. In around 2 weeks, I will be moving back to New York City. I'm fully aware that my closet space will no longer be what it is right now. I tend to get these weird sentimental attachments to my clothes, and it's so hard for me to let go of them. This just needs to be done. On top of that, my apartment that I'm moving into is on the third floor of a 3-story walk-up. There's absolutely no way I'm going to be carrying 90 plus pounds of clothes up 3 flights of stairs.
I hate lazy people, Bob's.
Nor am I capable of doing that. Without further ado, let's just get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my closet.
Hi, sisters!
We're not gonna look at the floor because I don't even think that I have that many clothes. I could just be in denial or delusional.
Or both.
Let's go ahead and start. Kind of have a lot to do. Oh my god, Lord help me. So the method of organization that I'm going to use today is created by this lady Marie Kondo, and it's basically broken down into 3 different categories. The first category is, do I wear it? Second one, is it comfortable? And third one, does it fit me? So I'm just going to be using this criteria for today's video. I have all of my tops out of my closet onto the floor of my room. This is gonna take quite a while. Here is the pile of clothes that I have to sort through right now.
No, ma'am.
So I'm just gonna do 3 piles. Automatic, no. Maybe, keep. No, maybe, keep. Let's go. I don't know if I'm really making a lot of progress because, as you can see, the past 10 items I have automatically thrown into the keep pile.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
I'm about halfway through the pile. I think I'm doing a pretty steady job. Shout out to Marie Kondo. She really gave me a structure because I've never actually done a deep clean in my closet like this before. The maybe and the no pile combined together are definitely larger than my keep pile, which is good. I'm just gonna try on everything in the maybe pile. We will make our decisions from there. I'm like showing pieces that I literally wore in a video like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just like, I'm over it now. Like, people have seen me in it. It's time to let go. This guy right here, lifesaver. Give it 3 months in the city, the temperature just plummets to like 10 degrees. So here are my piles all sorted out, which honestly I'm kind of annoyed at how tall it still is. Clearly I am not getting rid of too much, but this is the maybe pile and this is the no pile. Hopefully a few of these will end up transferring to the no pile so I can continue to purge.
No, I don't think you understand.
I'm disgusted.
Yeah, I can't really see myself in this. I mean, I think that's my answer right there. I keep saying I don't know, but like...
Alright.
So one of Marie Kondo's categories is, does it fit? And this does not fit. You know what? I'll list it on my Depop. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, it's coming with me to New York, baby.
It's a sign.
Would I wear this? Do I wear this? I feel like, honestly, yes. When it's like in the 50s, 60s range, I'm gonna list it on Depop, and I think that decides my fate in what I keep and what I don't keep. If it sells, then it was not meant to keep. Let me cover my nips. I like it. I feel like this is actually really cute. I don't even know why I put this in the maybe pile. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I'm not even gonna list it on my Depop. Let's try this guy on. Maybe this would be better as a shirt instead of a cardigan. If I could get just a button.
Wait, I kind of like it.
See, maybe I shouldn't try on the pieces because when I put it on, I'm just like, wait, this is something that I bought for a reason. I'm literally so indecisive that I need people on
Depop
to determine the fate of my clothing addiction. Ooh, it's already kind of itchy. Would I wear this? I don't know, possibly, but I don't think this would be something that I would like run to in my closet. I feel like if I have a cardigan or like a sweater on, it has to be so comfortable. Like, how can you wear something that's constricting you, first of all, and then it's itchy? This is definitely gonna be a hard no. All right. I like it. I can't deny it. This is a good blazer. It's not like too big, keeping it. I feel like trenches never go out of style. Oh, there's something in here. An old boarding pass from New York to LA. I wore this pretty much every single day during fall time in New York City. You can't really go wrong with it. It's just so simple. I don't even think someone on Depop would buy this. I'm gonna leave that with my sister so I don't have to take it with me. And if I need it, I'm gonna ask her to just ship it. This looks like a lab coat on me. This is such a sick print, but like it doesn't fit me. I really thought this was gonna work out, but why do I literally sound like I'm breaking up with someone? This is
Embarrassing.
I'm gonna have to say no. I'm just gonna make a quick cup of coffee because I'm losing energy by the minute. So when I drink coffee, I genuinely do not like to taste the actual coffee. That's why I only fill it up halfway with coffee. Just gonna pour this guy in there.
It's enough slices!
Delicious. Now I'm gonna go through all of my pants, skirts, shorts, whatever, just going through the same process. It's really not that much, so this will probably go by pretty quickly. So let's get started. Okay, so I separated all of my bottoms into the same 3 piles. I'm just gonna try on the maybes and see if those maybes turn into yeses or nos. Let me get up closer to the camera because you can't really see it. I bought this and it was already drawn on here. To be quite honest, I don't know. I'm not really much of a jeans kind of person. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I feel like these...
Oh my god.
I can tell you this right now, I have not worn these jeans once. I'm gonna take them. I feel like I need a pair of jeans. Okay, these guys are fucking sick. The only problem is that the zipper does not work. And I know I could just take these to the dry cleaner. I don't think that I will ever get to that. I'm just gonna sell them on Depop, hopefully. It clearly does not fit me. The way it sits, it's just so weird. They don't fit me right. I can't see myself wearing them. They're not comfortable. So 3 stripes, it's out. These pants are... I can't get rid of them. I've had these for years and I've only worn them a few times. Jesus Christ, why can't I put in these pants? These are just so fun and unique. And these little like flowers and stuff, these are
Embroidered onto it.
These guys are definitely coming with me. The back is cute. The front is cute. Overall, my decision is no. I'm just gonna have to sell them. I can literally fit another human being inside of my pants with me. Okay, that was basically it for today. I went through every single piece of my wardrobe. I think I did a good job of purging. I'm really confident in my decisions with the items that I don't want anymore. Since I will be back in the city, I promise you I will have better videos. I mean, not better, just like more personable. You guys will get vlogs, an apartment tour for sure. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to shop any of these pieces that I don't want anymore, it's going to be in my Depop, and that will be linked down below. That's it for today. Bye guys.